Ever felt like you're drowning in debt or unsure where your money is going? You're not alone. Many people make common financial mistakes that can have a significant impact on their lives. Let's explore some of these pitfalls and how to avoid them. Impulsive spending. It's easy to get caught up in the moment and make unnecessary purchases. Before you buy something, ask yourself if it's a need or a want. Consider creating a budget to track your spending and stick to it. Ignoring financial documents. Bills, statements, and contracts contain valuable information. Neglecting to review them can lead to late payments, penalties, and missed opportunities. Carrying high-interest debt. Credit card debt can quickly spiral out of control. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt first. Hit that subscribe button now and join our growing community.